Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in kitchen design and functionality. Today, we're diving into the world of black faucets and addressing a common concern, water spots. Black faucets have gained popularity for their sleek and modern appearance, but many homeowners wonder why water spots seem more noticeable on these dark finishes. The appeal of black faucets. Black faucets have become a sought-after choice in contemporary interior design. The rich, matte finish adds a touch of sophistication to kitchens and bathrooms, creating a visually striking focal point. The challenge of water spots. However, one drawback often associated with black faucets is the visibility of water spots. Unlike lighter finishes that may camouflage these spots, the dark color of black faucets can accentuate any mineral deposits left behind when water evaporates. Understanding water spots. Water spots are a natural occurrence caused by minerals found in hard water. When water droplets evaporate on the faucet's surface, minerals like calcium and magnesium are left behind, forming visible spots. While this happens with faucets of any color, the contrast is more apparent on black finishes. Prevention and maintenance. Keep your black faucet looking pristine. Regular cleaning is essential. Use a mild, non-abrasive cleanser and a soft cloth to wipe away any water spots. This routine maintenance will help prevent the buildup of mineral deposits. Gentle cleaning materials. Opt for soft materials like microfiber cloths or sponges when cleaning your black faucet. Avoid abrasive pads or harsh chemicals that could scratch or damage the surface. Water softeners. Consider installing a water softener in your home to reduce the mineral content in your water supply. This proactive measure can significantly minimize the occurrence of water spots on all faucets, including black ones. Narrator. Black faucets are a stunning design choice. They offer several benefits. Modern appeal. Black faucets instantly modernize the look of any bathroom or kitchen. Versatility. They pair well with a variety of styles, from contemporary to industrial. Hides minor imperfections. The dark color can help conceal minor scratches or fingerprints. The challenge of water spots. Narrator. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, water spots. Unfortunately, black faucets are more prone to showing water spots compared to lighter finishes. This is because the minerals in hard water leave behind white residue when the water evaporates. Living with black faucets. One side shows a happy person enjoying a clean black faucet. The other shows a frustrated person scrubbing water spots. Narrator. So, should you avoid black faucets altogether? Not necessarily. Here's how to strike a balance. Choose the right finish. Look for faucets with a spot-resistant finish. This coating repels water and makes it harder for water spots to form. Practice regular cleaning. Develop a cleaning routine. Use a soft cloth with distilled water and mild dish soap. Harsh chemicals can damage the finish. Dry thoroughly. Always dry the faucet after each use with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots from forming. Consider water softener. If you live in an area with hard water, consider installing a water softener. This will significantly reduce water spots on all your fixtures, not just the faucet. Narrator. With a little care and planning, you can enjoy the timeless look of black faucets without the worry of water spots. Remember, regular cleaning, choosing the right finish, and potentially addressing hard water issues can go a long way in maintaining the beauty of your black faucets. In conclusion, while black faucets offer a stunning aesthetic, dealing with water spots is part of the maintenance process. By understanding the causes of water spots and implementing preventative measures, you can enjoy the elegance of black faucets in your home for years to come. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of black faucets and water spots. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Which of these faucets is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.